But this is a live unboxing of the Rogan $79 surprise box. So you see it comes in this plain white box. I will cover this side because of my information, but so let's open it. Let's fake it like we're actually opening it, because why not? We can. I guess I already opened it, but we're gonna pretend. Ooh. Ah. All right. So right away in the box, you see there's packing material. Oh, let's get rid of the packing material. Yeah, let's put that down there for now. So there's a bunch of goodies in the box. Let's see, bunch of goodies. So let's start with the first. We've got stickers. They sent 4 stickers, 2 of the knife, and 2 of the other thing that's in here. So 4 stickers altogether. So we'll open the first thing. The first things first, this is going to be the knife. And this is their Rogue knife. So box, pretty plain, just black box. Rogan knife and tool. RoganUSA.com, because this is an American company and these are assembled here in the US. So let's get this knife out of the way. So you've got this knife here. And this is a beefy knife. Thumb stud deployable. It has a back lock. And this has got some weight to it. This is not a lightweight knife. This is going to be a user, you know. Oh, excellent, KR Knives. Oops. That thing pops out of there with authority. You've got some great jimping. When I say great, it's effective jimping. Your finger doesn't slide, it grabs, it doesn't hurt. Full 4-finger grip and more. You've got your window breaker on the back, place for a lanyard as well. But I think if you put a lanyard on there, it kind of defeats the purpose of the window breaker. Although you could probably move it out of the way, but not a deep carry clip, but it is fully reversible, and they do have a flipper tab there. The knife is D2 steel. So this is meant to be a worker. D2 steel. Good night, Joe. Appreciate you being here. And the lock is solid. Like, it takes a lot to unlock it. Ooh. Yeah. You do have to put a little... Now, mind you, this is brand new, so it'll probably break in. And it's not meant to be a fidgety knife. But, yeah. Yeah, you got to flick up and out. But really feels nice. I kind of like that a lot. So really great right there. So that's the first thing in the box. They also give you a set of extra hardware. So if you wanted to change out the hardware, you could go with a silver clip instead of the black clip. So that's nice. So you have a backup clip in case you bend it, or if you just want to change the look of it. Some people don't like the black with, say, the uncoated blade. I don't mind that at all. Then we have oh, that fell right out of the thing. We have a Band-Aid, because you have to have a Band-Aid in these times. Then we have, let's see. Oh, that's my affiliate code information. And then we have this guy here. And this is a pry bar. This is a weighty pry bar. This is a purpose-built. I'm going to pop open, heavy paint can lids. I'm going to use this as a scraper because it's got a great chiseled edge right there. So that'll work great as a scraper. Because of the way that's ground right there, you'll definitely be able to open boxes with it. And it's got weight. This thing is very heavy, and it's a big pry bar. It's not like, one of the little ones that I had that, that what are you going to do with at the end of the day? You know, like I've got this pry bar that I won from Barbie, which to me this is just more of a decoration. You know, where this is a true pry bar, no bottle opener on it, just a pure pry bar. You know, Cicero, welcome in, my friend. But nice clip on that as well. Oh, you know what? I wonder, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that clip is an extra clip for the pry bar in case you bend it. Because it's the same clip, although it's the same clip on all, so I guess you could use it for either, you know. But not bad. I mean, this is a substantial piece of metal. This is not flimsy at all. Like I said, it's got weight to it, you know. Jen Blaze TB, welcome in. You know, you could use it for some other things too. Definitely, you know. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So that's what you get. And like I said, you get the matching stickers for the knife, for the pry bar. So that's kind of cool. Not bad. I like the box. I like the surprise box. Definitely worth it. You know, the knife. Jesse J3T, welcome in. So definitely worth it. Like, very happy with this. And like I said, I can't wait to put this knife through its tests. But that is your unboxing of the Rogan Knife and Tools USA. I like it a lot. Thank you so much for hanging out. And remember, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.